Previous Prime Minister in Bangladesh, they arrest her and put her in the jail for nothing. There is no reason to arrest her. There is no police action, nothing. She fighting for the democracy. Because we are here, we are coming for the democracy, Israel for the democracy. We know that America is fighting for the democracy in the world. So we are also living in America. We are part of the American people. We are also, we need to be a democracy in Bangladesh. The Sheikh Hasina, she is fighting for the democracy. And there is no justice, no democracy, nothing in the Bangladesh. We need the democracy in Bangladesh. This is the reason for the rally. Thank you very much.